If you are a developer and you're looking for tools to do research for your software as a service, for freelance business, or niche website, these are the 5 tools that I use to validate my ideas and to see if there's a market for my services or apps. So let's get into it. All right, guys, it's your boy Joe back at it again. CodingPhase.com. Your boy's back and out and did it again one more time. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video. Now, the first one that we have here is Google Maps. You can use Google Maps to find businesses in your local area. And then from there, you can either email them or contact them through your phone, right? And tell them, hey, these are the services that we can provide for you. For example, creating a brand new website if they don't have one, updating their website. Another thing that you can do, maybe set up their Google tags, their Facebook pixels. Also, to maybe set up an email newsletter, right? There's things that we can go in and provide to these businesses, and you can find them on Google Maps. And this is 100% for free. This is the easiest tool to use. Now, all you have to do is search for an industry or some type of business, and then from there, see all of the businesses that pop up. And then from there, you start doing your research. So I'm gonna start with restaurants. Okay, now again, there's a bunch of different restaurants in here. What we're looking for is to see which ones don't have a website. Okay, and if they do, is it a new website? Is it an older website? Right, so you see here, the original Big Daddy dish, it doesn't really have a website. Okay, we can see that it's actually just connecting to the menu, which is Toast tab. Guess what? This is a perfect business that you can reach out to and say, hey, we can actually go in and build you a website. Okay, same thing with like older sites that people might have. So in here, let's see this one. Okay, this might be a good website, but it's kind of old. As you can see, this is, look at this. This is no good. This doesn't show that it's a premium business. Guess what? You can actually go in and improve this website for them, and again, get paid. The next one that we have right here is Google Ads Keyword Planner. And what the Google Ads Keyword Planner allows you to do is to search for keywords and see the volume of how many times people are searching for them. So, for example, we could come in here and search for a specific industry or a product or anything that you might be thinking of. So, like, let's say AI translator, right? Let's say you wanted to create an application for that. In here, you can actually go in and see how much traffic this is actually getting. So the average monthly searches is around 10,000 to 100,000. Okay. Year over change is 900% up, right? Competition is actually low. And if you was to run ads, it's going to be 79 cents for the low bid and $3.45 for the high bid. So again, this is going to give you the information that you need to see if people even care about the type of app that you're trying to create. So yeah, the Google Keyword Planner is probably the first stop that you should go to whenever you're thinking about creating an application or software as a service, because this is how you're going to know if people even care about it. Now, the next tool that I have here is Ahrefs. I love this tool. Yes, it's expensive. It's around $99 a month, but it's worth it. It has a bunch of tools that can really help you out to create content, to find out your competitors, find out what rankings they have on Google, and also for you to see what's going on with certain keywords and the trends that's happening for that service or program or app or, whatever product you might have. Literally, like, Ahrefs is the go-to place. So in here, I'm going to go in and I'm going to search AI translator. Let's say that's the application we're trying to create. So in here, we can see the keyword difficulty. It will tell us, hey, this is kind of a little bit hard. It's at 44 for that specific keyword. But if we wanted to go in and start ranking for certain questions that people are searching for, and let's say we wanted to create a YouTube channel that brings traffic to our website or our app, these are the questions that we need to start creating, because this is what people are searching for. Okay. Now, the next thing that we have is to be able to go in and see keyword ideas, because yes, you could go in and maybe not be able to rank for AI translator, but there's other things that is related to that keyword that you can go for. So you can go in and view all of them, and you're going to get information about each of these keywords. So for example, AI translator is getting a score of 44, which is kind of hard, but it gets 7,000 searches. Okay, so again, this is actually pretty good. You also can see in here the global search results, which means like worldwide. This is in the US, this is worldwide, 61,000. Also, too, you can see AI video translator. This is something that is connected to it, and you could create content for it or create an app for that if that's something that you wanted to add to the app that you might be having. Okay, AI voice translator, right? AI language translator, AI translator free. Okay, so there's a bunch of different keywords that you can go for. Now you can also see your competitors, so you could go in here and then from there see who's actually ranking for this tool. So there's this website called wordvice.ai tools/translate. So this is the one that when people search for AI translator, this is the first one that's popping up on Google. So if I come in here, I could click on that and see their actual application or see the website that they have. Now, again, I can go in and go back to keywords search tool, and maybe I might want to go in and search for this specific company, right? Why are they ranking #1? Why they actually got the #1 spot? Very simple. I could come in and go to Site Explorer, search the domain, okay? And then here is going to tell me all of the information that I need. Okay, so they basically launched around February of 2022, and they've been going up ever since. Okay, you see the referring domains, you have the organic pages that are ranking, and you see all of that information in here. Okay, there's a lot of things in here like impressions, how many times they showed up on the search results, right? You have their domain rating, right? There's a lot of info in here. Organic keywords that they have. Okay, so they basically have a lot. Okay, they're ranking for a lot of keywords. Basically for the ones that are popping up on 1, 2, 3, right? On the search results, they got around 2,581 keywords that's ranking for that. Also, too, for 4 to 10, meaning that they're like at the bottom of the page of the search results, 4,000 keywords. Again, this is really good. And if we could go in, we could actually go and check the pages. So we could say top pages, which are the pages that's giving them traffic. That lets us know what type of content, what type of pages we need to be creating for our own app. Again, guys, you don't have to go in and build something from scratch. You could literally find something that's already profitable and then create the same type of app and improve on it, and you're gonna make money. Okay, so now we can see here that this is bringing in, you know, word advice or wordvice.ai/tools translate. This is the one that's getting them the most traffic. It's around 23,000 visitors that they're getting, right? A volume 8,000, position #1, content changes, they made major changes. Okay, so this is something important. Okay, tools paraphrasing, right? Again, these are the keywords that they're ranking for the most, and we could continue seeing through here every single page that they've actually created. Okay, look at this. This is a page. Wordvice.ai grammar / how long does it take versus how long it takes. I'm guessing this is something that people are searching for, and guess what? They're ranking on that, and they're getting 2,000 visitors from that. Okay, grammar, have a nice weekend versus have a good weekend. Again, this is things that people are searching for. Maybe they're trying to learn English, right? And they want to know what's the difference between both of them. Guess what? When they go to that page, I'm pretty sure it gives you the examples. And then from there, it tells you, hey, you want to learn English? You want to learn the proper way of doing grammar, etc. Hey, come to this website, Wordvice, right, .ai. So yeah, this is how you actually go in and validate your ideas, and you find really cool ways to make money. Now, these two websites are amazing. These are tools that you need to learn how to use in 2025. I'm telling you guys right now, this is a game changer. So we're going to have right here, TikTok Creative Center, explore top ads on TikTok. Okay. We also have Facebook's Meta's ad library. They both do pretty much the same. TikTok gives you more information and is actually a better tool than the one that Meta has. But again, they kind of both work the same. So in here, right, you can come in and search for some type of service that you want to provide, right? It could be web development, freelancing, email marketing, right? Let's say you're creating an application for, let's say, a long service, which is what I have right here. You can look at all of the different ads that's running and what's working for them. So if you want to bring customers to you, you can go in and use the ads and actually create content on these platforms that's going to bring you more sales, bring you more customers, right? Again, you can even search for ideas, right? And I'm going to show you guys right now in a second how this will work. So right now I'm searching for lawn, right? This is going to show me everything that has to do with like lawn services, gardening, etc. And in here is going to show me the top ads. Again, the higher the ad is, like a top 43%, like that's not that great, but a top 4%, and they have a high budget and they've been running this and it has 12,000 likes. Guess what? This ad works. So when we click in here, we can actually see the full ad.
Want to have a beautiful lawn and save money?
Did, right? It catches the person's attention. From there, they start walking around their lawn, right? And again, this is True Green. I don't know exactly the product that they have, but again, it's showing you what this will look like, right? When you're using the services or their product. And guess what? This is getting people to come in and click on it. Now, the cool part about it is that this actually gives you the whole script. So you don't have to go in and use any other tool. It's automatically giving you the whole script of what they're saying in the ad. You can copy this. You can go to something like ChatGPT, right? Paste the ad, right? And then from there, it will rewrite the same ad, right? In the same type of format, and it will go in and write it for you. Same thing, you could go in and use this ad that is for lawn services. You can go in and say, hey, use this format of this ad, but instead, let's focus on an ad for selling web development services. Okay, so right there you can use that same concept, right, of using that ad where there's some money in the ground, right, and you come in, you catch the person's attention, you grab it, and then now you say, want a professional high quality website that won't break the bank? Then you should check out our web development services. We create stunning responsive websites that will impress your audience and help your businesses grow. From design and development to SEO optimization and maintenance, we handle everything so you can focus on running your business. Plus, with our satisfaction guaranteed and price match guarantee, you will know you're getting the best website at the best price. Save your time and hassle of DIY website builders. Visit our website for a free quote today. That's it. We just took a whole winning ad right there. We can run that ad, right? We can go in and put it as a video on YouTube, on TikTok, Instagram, etc. Guess what? We just took a winning ad that's winning no matter what, because again, the script is great, and at the same time, it's the format of the ad, right? Guess what? I'm coming in, catching the money, that catches the person's attention, and automatically you come in and start talking about your services and what you're going to provide for them. Maybe you're walking out of your own business, you pick up the money from the ground and you're coming out of your store or your office, etc. You could go in and take the same concept and just reword it and repackage it up. Again, this is just one way of doing this. But again, I can come in here and basically search for AI. Let's say I'm building an AI app and I want to know what type of AI apps are working. Guess what? I can see this here. Okay, this is one ad that's running right now, right? Is in the top 8%. And guess what? Okay, it's connecting to the landing page on Apple, right? So be able to download this, right? So as you can see, people are coming in, they're clicking on it in the beginning, but guess what? Almost to the end, they're also clicking on it. So look at the ad, right? Create an AI covers with your own voice on mobile. Okay? You want to sound like Taylor Swift? You want to sound like whoever? Guess what? That's it. That just caught your attention. It's like, oh shit. Like, oh wow, I sound like Drake. You get what I'm saying? Like, you get this the type of shit that people like. I don't know why. I don't click on this type of ads, but this shit works. You get what I'm saying? Like, guys, I sound like Drake. Bro, I'm sorry, man. I gotta go hard sometimes in these videos, man. I'll be having fun, man. But yeah, let's continue to the next one, right? So this is Meta, right? Now in Meta, you can actually go in and search for, again, different type of services, different type of products, right? Niches, whatever it is that you're searching for, just come in, put in the keywords. For example, if I'm a Shopify theme developer, I'm a Shopify app developer, I can come in here and see what's actually working. Free Shopify funnels, don't miss out, right? Wow Suite AI has been running since July 27th till now. Guess what? This is an app that works. It's getting them money. So as you can see, Wow Suites, revolutionary e-commerce suites. So again, this is something that you can go ahead and use and say, okay, if they're promoting this and they're getting it out there, that means they're making some type of money. Okay. So yeah, definitely check out, the Meta ad library for sure. All right, guys. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and picked up some gems in here. I mean, this thing was sounding like a casino. Gling, 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 gling. It's gems everywhere. Now, guys, what we putting out here on YouTube, this is just a small fraction of the information and knowledge that we really put out here, right? To really get the full experience, you gotta come to CodingPhase.com, guys. No cap, okay? This is the best platform, okay? We're not here to sell your dream. We're here to provide a service, which is help you to learn how to code, help you to learn how to get into the industry. Again, we give so much on this platform, okay? We've helped people get into a lot of major companies. All right. Again, you can go in and look at the testimonials in the Hall of Fame. This is real people just like you and me. This is not the poppy and mommy kids. This is not the kid who's been coding since the age of 14. This is adults that had different backgrounds and literally came to CodingPhase and actually got in. Okay. We provide you with all the courses that you're going to need. We have the Tech Accelerator program. We have 12 hours of group coaching for you. We have the career paths, curated jobs list, where we basically searching for job opportunities for you and give it to you and say, hey, man, these are the jobs that most likely will hire you with the skills that we trained you on. We do that research. We do that work for you. Okay. You're not going to find any other platform other than this one that does everything that we do for our students. Come check it out. And right now it's 50% off. Again, every single thing on the website, 50% off the 6 months, 12-month subscription to CodingPhase.com, lifetime membership, right? The Mastering Cursor AI, Master Clavio course. Again, and right now, if you watch this video and you're into this, right, and this type of knowledge, guess what? We're also about to launch the Profitable Developer course. It's pretty much everything that I know as a developer and how I've made millions of dollars. No cap. You can look it up. Okay. This is why we get this little awards from Teachable. This is why we go into our Stripe accounts and it says $4 or $5 million. This is how we go in and we can show you all of this, right? I know how to make money online. Okay. All this little tips and tricks that I teach you guys on YouTube is just one piece of it. If you want to learn all of the skills, you got to come to CodingPhase.com. Not only are we teaching you how to code, how to get a job, but also too, now with the Profitable Developer, how to go in and monetize those skills to the maximum, showing you the whole process from going in, doing research, finding out exactly what type of service or product you're going to be selling, right? And then from there, how do you actually market that? And how do you actually set up all the tools that will actually go in and help you make all this money, right? Again, I'm putting everything that I know from affiliate marketing to development to literally how to market any product, any software as a service. Again, guys, It's all inside of the Profitable Developer. You could pre-order it right now on CodingPhase.com, half price. You could sign up to the Diamond membership, which is going to also include it. So it's up to you which one makes sense to you. Do you want to purchase the course, the pre-order, or do you want to sign up for 6 months, a year of CodingPhase.com and get access to everything? Okay, whatever makes sense to you. All right, come through, come check it out. Links in the description, guys. Definitely, this is the best time of the year. Black Friday sale happening right now. Early bird, sales happening right now. Go check out the website. Links in the description. I'm also going to go in and leave a video right here for you guys. This is one of my favorite videos of all time, the $1 Million Stack. This right here is going to change your life if you do it properly. So you can definitely watch that video next. But again, check out the links below. I'll see you guys later.